Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions, guys. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to add your DoorDash card to Apple Wallet so you can, use it for easy payments. So let's dive right in, guys. It's actually really easy and simple. So first things first, open up the DoorDash app on your phone and log in to your account. Make sure your DoorDash card is activated. If you haven't, received your DoorDash card yet, be sure to order and activate it through the app first. And once you're logged in, guys, I want you to do this, okay? Once you're logged in, just tap on the account icon at the bottom of the screen, which is usually located, in the lower right corner. Then just go to payment methods or payment settings. And in the payment settings section, guys, I want you to look for this option, add to Apple Wallet. And then just tap on it. And this will actually open up, the Apple Wallet app on your phone. And guys, if it doesn't open automatically, what I need you to do is you can actually just manually add the DoorDash card by going to your Apple Wallet app, tapping on the plus icon in the upper right corner, and selecting Add a Debit or Credit Card. Then just enter the DoorDash details, including your card number, expiration date, and CVV, guys. And just follow the on screen prompts to, confirm the card details. And, Apple might send you a text message or email for verification. And once confirmed, guys, your DoorDash card will be added to your Apple Wallet and you'll be able to use it for payments through Apple Pay. And that's it, guys. Your DoorDash card is now linked to Apple Wallet. So, guys, if this video helped you out, consider smashing that like button and subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions so I can see you guys next time.